How to get activation code in Lloyd's bank account. Now, this is how it works. So once you have successfully applied and provided all the requirements needed to open up a bank account in Lloyd's Bank, you'll now then receive an email or a physical letter depending on your preference that you have set up creating your account with Lloyd's Bank. So as you can see from their official site support in here, you'll have to complete and activate your account by providing your activation ID. This is actually sent out to your email address or through a physical letter. Now, your activation code will come along with your activation ID. Then there you'll be provided a temporary password and a permanent activation ID. Once you have filled out these forms right here, you just have to double check the activation code that you receive if it is correct or not. Then you can come back here and enter the activation code without any problem. And that's it. That's how you'll get your Lloyds bank account activation code.